Good evening, everyone. I cannot believe we are I think we're under 10 weeks to Christmas, which is frightening. But at the same time, have we got some beautiful products from Arbonne that we can gift to people, knowing that they are formulated with clean, non-toxic ingredients. The packaging this year is so beautiful and it is so sustainable. It's so good to see what we're doing as a B Corp, and just beautifully fragranced, no synthetic fragrances, everything from botanicals, from nature, from oils. It's just beautiful, beautiful products that are safe for everybody to use. So we will get on with the prezzo in a minute. I did want to preface with the fact that we are, oh, hang on, I should change my name on here, right? But we are, this year, the theme is bringing the outdoors indoors. Most of the world has struggled with lockdowns and things this year, so we really in Arbonne have been mindful of that and really bringing nature into our homes. So in all of these products you'll see the theme of bringing the outdoors into the indoors. So I'm going to now change my view to speaker and I'm going to share my screen. I think, no, hang on a minute, wait. Before I do that, I'm going to pin some people. Okay, sorry that I'm talking about it, but here we go, pin and add pin and add pin. Now, I don't know if I can pin myself. Can I pin myself? Oh, I can. Look at that. There's 4 of us on the screen, like magic. Okay, so I will share my screen now. And, oh, sorry, that's a mess. What are we doing here? Let's get rid of that. Okay, here we go. Kirsten, thank you so much for doing these slides. They are so pretty. We are looking at our 2021 holiday line from Arbonne. We love this time of year. It means that Christmas is nearby, school holidays are coming, we get a little bit of a rest, hopefully, and we get to really I get the joy of giving to other people. So let's jump in with Rowena, who's going to talk about these 3 beautiful products.
Thank you. And I just have to say, I love the colors this year. It's just so joyful. You've got the reds, you've got the greens. They're just beautiful. And I'm going to start off talking about the rooibos. So the spiced rooibos tea set. Now, they got me to do it because I'm South African and it is a South African tea. So it is beautiful.
How do you say it again?
Rooibos. So you kind of roll the tongue, rooibos. So all red bush. So South Africans grew up having it as a kid. You might add a little bit of milk to it, but I just love it like a black tea, and it is stunning. So the perfect gift. So it's spiced rooibos, so it's the rooibos plant, but you can actually smell, I've got one out here, and you can smell the cinnamon and the clove and the nutmeg in it. So it's just a beautiful combination of those 3 things. You get 30 in the tin and you get a traveler as well. Perfect. You can have it. It is so nice.
And it's caffeine free, everyone. So you can have it morning or night. You can even add a fizz to it if you want to make it caffeinated in the morning. I wouldn't do that at night, but some people don't mind. All right, that's beautiful. Thanks, Rory.
And it goes in a little green bag. So I love that you've got the reusable bags as well, so you don't have to wrap any prezzies. Now that, to me, sustainability-wise as well, it obviously is a big tick. So that is a winner. So I think that's a perfect gift for teachers or loved ones. That is high up on my list. And next I am going to talk about the Starlight Kids hair and body wash. I love these. My kids get so excited every year. They kind of go, what does it smell like this year? You've had cookie doughs and you've had all the different names they come up with. And this year I can smell, it's just beautiful. It's the apple extract. I think for me in particular, pops, smell wise, and they are beautiful. So we always pop one in my kids and their stockings. They always get one of those, and also just great for nieces or nephews. And I mean, Ashley still uses this. Don't let him tell you I told her yeah, like, yeah, you know what I mean. Anyway, he still uses that because he suffers from eczema, and in particular, so it's just so calm and soothing as well. So I love the fact that it's just so gentle on the skin. But yeah, that's another one in our books. And then I'd probably say the favorite one I'm going to be talking about tonight is the charcoal cleansing gift set. Now, this is probably, I think quite a few of my teachers are going to get this. I think men and women can get it. So the set includes the charcoal exfoliating face and body scrub with jojoba. Is that right? Jojoba beads. Anyway, so they're marine friendly, which is a big thing, and I love it. You can tell there's the activated charcoal in it, and you can use it on the base or the body, and it just smells beautiful. Like, I'm just so excited to take this on a holiday, because you know what, we are coming out of lockdown. I can actually go away camping next weekend. I'm just picturing beach and sun and holidays and festive moods. Absolutely love that, with the activated charcoal in it. And then you've also got and for that you get the little, what is it called, the charcoal cognac body sponge. And so, of course, somebody's coming in as we speak. Ashley, yours? Yes, it is. Thank you. Hey, anybody? Actually, I'm just busy. Yes, keep the salad for me. So anyway, anyone can do this business, and we are all mums. So he's keeping the salad for me, which is great. I love the fact that also with the sponge, it's actually a really big size, and that for me is great. So it's great for the body. Just to use that scrub with. And then the last one in the range is the concentrated shower gel. I love that it comes in a little container as well, so you can take it away on holiday with you. And remember, it is so concentrate. So you just got concentrated. You're just going to use a tiny little bit with that. So with the kids, just mentioned, don't use a lot. And that is also beautiful. It's the charcoal shower gel with aloe vera. So remember, all of our stuff is just so moisturizing, and just so, I love the way it cleanses, but your skin's actually being moisturized at the same time as well. So that is a win in my books. You can read about the different things in it, but it's got the activated charcoal, it's got the shea butter and coconut oil, and the aloe vera cucumber extract, and the chamomile flower. Just beautiful, just hydrating, beautiful products. So that's me over and out. And I think we're moving on to Kirsten. Is that right?
No, me. It's me.
Rita.
I wanted to add that charcoal is like, it acts like a magnet and draws dirt out of your pores. So it's like, it actually gives you a really deep cleanse. So really, really good for cleaning. Okay, so I've got the Water Lily Woods candle. Look, I am a candle fiend. I absolutely love them. It comes in a box that looks like that, so you don't even really have to wrap it. It's so pretty, and it's Water Lily Woods. So it's a hand poured candle, and it is coconut wax, and coconut wax is the cleanest burning and most sustainable wax that you can possibly get. A lot of candles out there are soy wax. This is even cleaner and more sustainable. Okay, so I did a pamper day today using this candle. I lit it at 9:30 this morning, and it has been going until 5:30 this evening, and it's used maybe half a centimetre. So that's how slow and long this burns for. You'll get 15 to 20 hours out of it. It smells absolutely beautiful. I love it. It made the whole room, and it's a big room, it made the whole room smell beautiful. So it's got delicate lotus petals and woody notes from natural botanicals and essential oils. I love that. It's a glass jar, so we can recycle. I actually keep them and put other candles in there. Yeah, that's probably all I want to say about that. Beautiful candles. Who doesn't love a candle as a gift? I mean, seriously, they're so good. So the next one that I've got is the watermelon mint flavored Inner Calm with the reusable tumbler. So it comes in a bag like that, right? So you can literally just stick that under the tree. I love it, like Rose said, but the box is even really cute. So, you know, once they've opened it up, you get your reusable tumbler. It's got a lid on it. So it won't, you know, you're not going to get the leaks coming out. I love that. And it's insulated. And then here's the Inner Calm. Now this product I could talk all day about. It's got ashwagandha root. It has saffron, one of the, what's this, the little thing in the saffron. Anyway, it's part of the saffron plant. And and is it stigma? Is that what we call it? Yeah. It's got another product in it, but the two that I've just mentioned are the two that I really want to talk about, and they are used in Ayurvedic medicine, have been used for thousands of years to help bring stress levels down, stress and anxiety levels down. So this is a beautiful blend. It tastes delicious. I had it this morning, and it's just everything that Arbonne does. It tastes like watermelon mint, like it tastes like the real thing, because it is the real thing. And the other little products that I have here, there's 4 of them. There's a mini mascara, which is our beautiful normal mascara that we have, which is called the Speaks Volumes mascara. You can build on it. You can do up to 3-4 layers. It's got bamboo powder in it, which coats your lashes and then lengthens and builds them out to make them thicker. So no black tar in there, which is what normal mascaras have. And like I said, you can build on it. It's a beautiful product. And it's also nourishing and moisturizing your lashes to actually grow thicker, stronger lashes as well. There's a beautiful little lip and cheek mini. So this is like a little, you can use it on your cheeks as a rouge, just you need the tiniest little bit, or you can pop it on your lips. And honestly, if you just dab it and just tap it on your lips, you get so much color out of it. It will last at least a year. Like it's amazing. And then we've got 2 tinted lip balms. One is vanilla and the other one is rose. So these are beautiful for hydration, again with the shea butter. They don't, like chapstick will draw the moisture out of your lips and to the surface of your lips so that it looks and feels like they're moisturized, but it's actually drawing the moisture out. And when it runs out, when it wears off, you feel like your lips are really, really dry and chapped again. So this does not do that. This is nourishing for the lips. So they are beautiful to hang on the tree or pop into a stocking as a filler. They are, like teenagers love them, seriously. Okay, moving on to Carly.
Okay, just unmute myself. So first of all, I want to talk about the lavender cleansing oil with the face mask. And I absolutely loved it. I couldn't believe how amazing it was. So it comes in a gorgeous little cloth bag. And so I opened up this little lavender soap, and it's absolutely amazing. You can see it. It looks like it has the lavender absorbed into the soap. So what you do is you wet your face, you wet your hand, and you lather it into your face. And then you wash it off with this gorgeous little face cloth that it comes with. And it's just absolutely divine having a waffle cloth. So once you've washed that off, then you apply this gorgeous lavender calming mask. And lavender is absolutely hydrating and it's moisturizing. You leave this on your face, you dampen your face, and you leave this on for 10 minutes, and then you wash off using your cloth. Now, having this mask on and washing off, your face feels like it's actually been applied with moisturizing cream. It's that soft, it's plump, it's luscious, it's gorgeous, and it has hyaluronic acid in it, which is amazing, beautiful ingredient. And it plumps the skin as well. So the next thing I want to move on is this gorgeous little duo set of hand balms. So one's a sea mist, and this one has sunflower seed oil. So when you put this on, actually really feels beautiful with your skin, feeling soft but not greasy. Now the sea mist one is a really light smell, light fragrance, so it's not overpowering and it doesn't really and greasy. But I have to say, I love the gardening one that also has sunflower seeds, and it's a very subtle mint. It's a very subtle mint. It's not an overpowering mint. It's really soft and it's just beautiful and gentle smell. And they feel gorgeous. It's a really great little gift for a teacher for Christmas. Last but not least, I had tried the gorgeous Orchard and exfoliating body polish and the body oil. So it comes in a little beautiful cloth bag again, and you get a little exfoliating glove, that you put on your hand. So when you're in the shower, you will actually dampen your skin, and using the mitt, put some of the exfoliating body scrub on, polish on it. It has jojoba beads, and so you feel it and you're rubbing that on it. It really helps open the pores up and take away all the dead skin. Once you've finished washing that off, then you can soak your skin up with this gorgeous orchard dusk mud body oil, and it has grapeseed oil. So it really soaks into your skin and feels really nice and soft and lasts all day. I had them this morning and my skin still really felt hydrated from the beautiful grapeseed oil. Yeah.
Thank you, Carly. I have to say we used the lavender mask on all of our people at the Pamper today, so 11 women, and I think 4 people have ordered it. They just found it so beautiful, and that hyaluronic acid is known to hold up to 1,000 times its volume in water, and so for hydrating the skin, absolutely beautiful, and it smells divine. So thank you very much. They are beautiful products. Okay, and last but not least, Kirsten.
Thanks, guys. Oh, those products are amazing. I've just, there's so many choices, I think, moving forward, and I think all of them are really beautiful gifts for, like Rowena mentioned, like teachers, and you know, I think they really need our love this year after the year that they've had as well. So little gifts like that is just so perfect. I'm going to run through 4 of my favorite products. I'm going to start with a hand wash. It comes in a cute little box like this as well. It's winter citrus. So it actually reminds me of, do you remember Tang? Like back in the day, it actually smells like that. It's just amazing. It's really concentrated, so you don't need very much of it at all. It does froth up a little bit, but your hands don't even feel like it needs a moisturizer after it, which I think is really great. It's the packaging itself is post-consumer plastic, so we already know that's been recycled previously. So I love all our sustainable products in the range, and I think this is a great gift for, you know, teachers or your physio or someone that has been keeping an eye on you over the last 18 months. So that's a really cool thing. Now, speaking of nature and bringing it in and taking it out, I have this awesome backpack. This is quite new this year. I wanted to show you how it was packaged, because it is folded down beautifully like that. So if it did arrive and you want to wrap that or just give it as is, or even post it, it's not too big. But when you unwrap it, it's actually a really nice size backpack. It's green, so I think it's really, you know, gender neutral. It could be for anyone. I think it's a really cool gift for a teenage boy or something like that as well. I think that's a really cool one. I think I definitely have the teenage gifts this year. I think this one is a beautiful little lip oil set. It comes with our awesome lip oil, which this time it's strawberry. Again, it's got the jojoba oils, coconut oil, and it's a beautiful sort of tinted strawberry. My daughter absolutely loves this, and we've gone through about 3 of these already. So these are amazing. And it comes with an awesome little coconut exfoliant scrub in a little tub like that. So I think this is a beautiful teenage gift. It comes in the bags themselves are actually washable too. And I know that because I destroyed one of my bags, and my daughter did anyway, and I've put it through the wash and it came out really well. So that's really good to know. It's a cloth with a zip bag. The little card, there's actually a little card attached to them as well. I'm sorry if my light's bad, but you can actually write who it's to and who it's from as well. And it's got all the ingredients and everything in the card as well. So Arbonne has you covered in terms of what you're gifting people, which I think is really cool. So that is an awesome, awesome little gift, and I think it'll be really popular. So I would get your hands on those sooner rather than later. And last but not least, I have our beautiful marble palette. So this isn't part of the full pack, so you can actually purchase all of these things tonight at a really amazing discount, but this is not included. But I have to say, this is hands down one of my favorite products. I'm actually wearing it all tonight. It is a beautiful product. It comes again in a little zip bag, which I think is just adorable. And it's just everything you could possibly need. Again, I know my daughter has gone through this as well, and she absolutely loves it. Rose gold, which I think are just beautiful colors. I hope you can see that. So it's got 4 eyeshadows across the top. It's got like a bronzer and a blush, and they're really subtle. So it actually suits all skin types, and it has a beautiful gloss as well. It's sort of a hazel color and a pinky color. Really subtle, really beautiful. Comes a little mirror. You can't go wrong with this set. You know, the fact that it's got the bronzer and the blush and all the eyeshadows, I think are just beautiful, and they definitely suit lots of skin types. I wouldn't worry about that. And as always, all our products are vegan. They're botanical. They're amazing products, no nasties. Everything is just clean beauty. So I think those 4 products are such great gifts for teenagers this year. So yeah, that's over to you, Rita. Thanks,
Look,
guys.
I didn't buy the marble palette last year, and I've got such bad FOMO. It's not even funny. I have seen so many people post over the past, year that it is such a versatile palette, and I'm getting it. Like, I'm getting it. That's all I'm saying. So we just wanted to say thank you very much for being on here. As Kirsten said, there is a way to buy that whole set, and it's I think it's 23 individual items at $21 each if you want to buy the whole set, and then you can break them up and gift them to people that way, and get really good value out of it. But if you want to place an order, or you want more information or a recommended cart, just send your requirements through to your consultant and say, I need to buy for X, Y, Z. And they will send you a recommended cart link that you can just go in and go, yep, that's great, switch that one over, done, and you can just shop online yourself. So it's so easy. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. I hope that you all enjoyed the presentation, and go back to your consultant and they will help you with your Christmas shopping.